Hello students, today in this video we are going to do the second part of pronouns. In our last videos we have learned the definition of pronouns and two kinds of pronoun. Let's revise once again. We have done that pronouns are the replacing words of the nouns to avoid the repetition. For example, Rahul is absent because he is ill. So, here in the sentence, Rahul is noun and the word he is used at the place of Rahul. So, this he will become pronoun here. Let us say the second sentence, this house is very old. So, here house is noun and for this noun we have used the word it. So, it will become here pronoun. We have also done personal pronoun. So, personal pronoun, it refers to some specific person, place or things. This is divided into three parts, first person, second person and third person. So, the pronoun which comes in the category of first person are I and we. In second person, it is you. In third person, it is he, she, it and they. For example, I saw an elephant. So, here I is a personal pronoun. You are intelligent. Here you in pronoun of personal kind and he sings very well. So, here in this sentence he is personal pronoun. First person pronoun refers to the person speaking. For example, I and we. In this sentence I have used first person pronoun. So, that is I saw an elephant. So, I is first person pronoun. Second person pronoun refers to the person spoken to, right? For example, you. Do you have an extra pencil? So, here I am speaking to you. That's why I am asking you, do you have an extra pen? So, here this word you becomes second person pronoun. Third person pronoun refers to the person or the thing, people or the thing spoken about. When we talk about something, so that become the third person pronoun. For example, he, she, it, about what we are talking, right? So, that is personal pronoun third person category. Now, the second kind we have covered possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun refers to the ownership that is something belonging to somebody. For example, this book is mine. So, here mine is what? First person pronoun. Clear? This book is yours. Yours is second person possessive pronoun. So, here this book is yours. Yours is what? It is possessive pronoun because this is showing the ownership and this book is yours. So, the words like his, her, your, mine, theirs, these are possessive pronouns. In the third sentence, this book is hers. So, hers, this is third person possessive pronoun. Now, next reflexive pronoun which we have to do today. So, let us see in detail what is reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun can also be used to emphasize nouns and pronouns. So, it is also called emphatic pronoun. This you have to learn. Here one thing we have to do, the words which are used in this emphatic pronoun and this reflexive pronoun are same. So, which words are used here? Like my plus self. What is that? Myself, themself, ourself, something like that. So, these words are called reflexive pronoun as well as emphatic pronoun. Now, let us see first what is reflexive pronoun and then I will tell you the difference between emphatic pronoun and reflexive pronoun. So, the word, see the sentence first here, reflexive pronoun, it refers to the subject of the sentence. It refers to the subject of the sentence, where reflexive noun is the object of the sentence. So, here you have to take care of one thing. you know about what is subject and what is object, right? So here in this sentence we will see which is subject first. Okay, try to understand it like that. As I've told you, the subject, it reflects actually to the object. So I is what here? I is subject, right? I saw myself. Myself is what? After verb what is there? This is object. Clear? So where the subject and object are the same person, so that is called reflexive pronoun. Clear? I saw myself in the mirror, because he is talking to himself, like he saw. Here the personality is reflecting. So the, as it is given in the definition also, it refers to the subject of the sentence, where reflexive noun is the object. So here subject is I and object is myself, right? You have to take care always. These emphatic and reflexive pronouns are the words which are having SELF or SELVES in the end. Second sentence, I hurt myself. So I is what here? I is what? I is subject here, right? And hurt is verb. So where is object? Object is just after the verb, right? So here I is talking about himself, about myself. So here myself is object. Here I is subject and this is object. Myself is object. So here this is working as an reflexive pronoun. Next example, let's see the third one. She is very happy with herself. Now she is what here? Subject. Is very happy with herself. Now this she is talking about what? About herself. So she and herself. So this word herself, this becomes reflexive pronoun. Next, see the last example. They cook food themselves. Now they cook food themselves. So this themselves is also object, right? So this is what? This is reflexive pronoun. Clear? Now let me tell you the difference between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. As I've told you that reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronouns are same words, like they are myself, itself, herself, yourself, themselves, etc. So when these words act like an object are known as reflexive pronouns. Let's see emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronoun is that which is used to emphasize on the subject or object of a sentence. Emphasize means to give stress on something. Clear? Emphasize means to give stress on something. So here what I will give you one technique here, like if the words, because you have a great confusion between emphatic and reflexive, so after the subject you have to take care of the word which is giving the emphasis on the subject. Like let's see first the second sentence. I is subject here and I myself will take care of the car. If we will remove myself from here, then also the sentence is having its meaning. I will take the car, right? So I will take the car. This is also a sentence. And if we will add this myself here, once again this is giving a sentence. I myself will take the car. But here the stress is given on the word myself, and the word myself is written just after the subject. So this is emphatic pronoun. This is to give stress or emphasize on the subject. Let's see the first sentence. We saw the king himself. If we will remove himself from here, the sentence is having its meaning. Clear? We saw the king himself. And here one more thing you will notice, that this we is different. right? And himself is different, because if it is a word which is reflecting to the subject, so here for we it should be ourself, but it is what? It is himself. So this is not reflexive here. If it is like that, so it is whatever the just same of that, like I myself, she herself, we ourself. But here this word himself is there, which is not reflecting we. Clear? So this is what? This is emphatic pronoun. Now she herself bought the chocolate. So she herself bought the chocolate. And moreover, one more thing I want to tell you, in the second sentence, let's understand that I myself will take the car. So here this myself is not working as an object, right? This is not working like an object, because object remains always after the verb and it is just after the subject. So this also you have to take care. She herself bought the chocolate. Let's see the third sentence now. Now she is what? Subject, and herself is not verb, not object, because bought is verb here, right? What is object here? Object is the chocolate. So when this is not working, acting as an object, this word herself, myself, itself, like that. So this is not working as an object, right? But it is used to give the stress to the subject, that is she. So that's why it is used. She herself bought the car. So this you have to keep in mind, that when these words like myself, herself, itself, ourselves will act as an object, then it is reflexive. But when these words are used to give stress, so then they work as emphatic pronouns. I hope you understand this. Let's see, the next one is demonstrative pronoun. So you have to keep in mind, we have 4 demonstrative words. First is this, that, these, those. So this and these are used for the person or the thing that are near to the speaker. This you are doing from your class first. This and these are used for the persons or the things that are near to the speaker. And that and those are used for the persons or the things that are away from the speaker. This is one general rule which we are doing from our junior classes. So let's see the definition of demonstrative pronoun. It is used to demonstrate. Demonstrate means to point out something, people or the things. So you have to understand here, this is used to point out something. Those are called demonstrative pronoun. For example, those are my shoes. So here this word those is pointing towards shoes, that this person is telling about his or her shoes, that those are my shoes. So this word those is working as a demonstrative pronoun here. Once again I will tell you one thing, that don't get confused between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. If it would be adjective here, then there should be those shoes are mine. So the sentence will be like that, those shoes are mine. Then what we need after those, we require what? Noun, but here it is are. So this will not qualify as an adjective here, this will work as an pronoun, because after this word those we are using are here. If here it is one noun, then it would work as an adjective, right? So there is a great difference which you have to keep in mind. So let's understand the second sentence. This is her ring. So this word is demonstrative pronoun, because here after this there is a helping verb after that. If helping verb is there, main verb is there, so then these words act as pronouns. And this word this is pointing towards the ring, like this ring is her. Okay. Let's see the third sentence. This is my watch. So here this word this, after that there is which is helping verb, and this word is pointing towards watch, clear, which is a noun. Now next sentence is these are cute puppies. These, after that what is there? Helping verb, and these words is pointing to puppies. If the sentence would be like that, if puppies are here at the place of are, these puppies are cute, then this word these would work as adjective, but here these word is followed by helping verb, so then it is working as an demonstrative pronoun. So it's let's see the next one.